आयुष्मान थोड़ा सा नर्वस था बिकॉज पहली बार वो मिस्टर बच्चन को मिल रहा था और मिस्टर बच्चन के साथ सीधा उसका झगड़ा था, लड़ाई था। हमने उनको सजेस्ट किया कि सर हम लोग विंटर में शूट कर लेते हैं बिकॉज इतना सब कुछ होगा फेस पे ये। बोलते नहीं मैं जून जुलाई में ही शूट करूंगा, गर्मी मुझे अच्छा लगता है तो मैं गर्मी में शूट करूंगा। सो मेनी वर्ड्स आई हैव टू स्पीक अबाउट मिस्टर बच्चन। ही इज अ 14-year-old kid. I think it is Amitabh Bachchan only. He plays a lot of pranks.
So we have with us Shujit Sarkar. First, सबसे पहले बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है. How are you doing? And how has your quarantine been like?
Thank you आपका. मैं ठीक हूँ. Quarantine, yes, it's treated me quite well. I mean, in terms of my lockdown, I mean, I'm happy that I'm home and I have learned a lot of housework. And it's keeping me okay. So far, I'm happy.
Okay, so speaking about Gulabo Sitabo, you're of course working with Mr. Bachchan and Ayushmann, और इन दोनों के साथ ही आपने पहले अलग-अलग फिल्म्स में काम किया है. And both of these actors are just phenomenal in what they do, right? But bringing the two of them together, I can only imagine the kind of brilliance and the kind of fun it must have been on sets. You know, how was the entire experience like working with Mr. Bachchan and with Ayushmann?
Mr. Bachchan and Ayushmann, they were together. अगर आपने देखा होगा थोड़ा सा ट्रेलर, their bonding is so beautiful. I mean, it looks like कि वो सालों से जानते हैं एक दूसरे को. जबकि वो पहली बार ये मिले थे सेट पे, गुलाबो सिताबो के सेट पे. I think it was absolutely a beautiful, charming, mood around the set. In the initial stage, Ayushmann थोड़ा सा नर्वस था बिकॉज पहली बार वो मिस्टर बच्चन को मिल रहा था और मिस्टर बच्चन के साथ सीधा उसका झगड़ा था, लड़ाई था, सीन में जो करना था. और मिस्टर बच्चन का भी उसके साथ पहली बार मीटिंग, उनको भी उनके साथ पहले में झगड़ा करना था सीन में. सो और मिस्टर बच्चन बड़े बहुत बड़े सुपरस्टार हैं और सो आई थिंक उनका एक अपना ऑरा है. सो वो थोड़ा सा दिक्कत हुआ था, बट अदरवाइज दोनों ने बहुत मजा किया है. दे खूब हंसे, खूब एंजॉय किया, एंड आई थिंक इट वाज अ ब्यूटीफुल टीम वर्क.
There's this one thing, जब से ट्रेलर रिलीज हुआ है, even before that actually, जब से फिल्म अनाउंस हुई है, कुछ पिक्चर्स हैं जो अमिताभ बच्चन जी की काफी they've been doing rounds on the internet of his look especially. We've also seen the making of his entire look. Talk to me about that, because for him wearing that entire prosthetics, I'm guessing it takes a lot of time to and a lot of patience to first sit and get the entire thing done with that nose and everything with the hair, and then after that you also have to sort of remove it, and then shooting with the entire thing. I'm sure it must have been very hard for him. So when you reached out to him, that when he told him that this is how your look is going to be like, he was okay with it? He was, what was that entire thing like?
Oh yes, when we took the look to him, I mean, he almost jumped and he said he just thought this is the perfect look and how will you achieve this look? And we said, no, we will achieve this look. But then we also warned him that sir, this is going to take you 3 hours or 4 hours. And he said, no, that's not a problem. Then हमने फिर और भी किसी तरह से वार्न करने की कोशिश किया उनको कि इसके लिए बहुत दिक्कत होने वाला है आपको. देन हमने उनको सजेस्ट किया कि सर हम लोग विंटर में शूट कर लेते हैं बिकॉज इतना सब कुछ होगा फेस पे ये. बोलते नहीं मैं जून जुलाई में ही शूट करूंगा, गर्मी मुझे अच्छा लगता है तो मैं गर्मी में शूट करूंगा. सो तो ये अब मुझे लगता है उन्हीं से पूछना चाहिए कि वो इतना प्रॉब्लम्स अपने ऊपर ले लेते हैं जस्ट टू प्ले द कैरेक्टर. सो आई थिंक ये जवाब तो वही दे पाएंगे कि वो क्यों करते हैं ऐसा, ये मुझे नहीं मालूम, बट आई थिंक शायद यही उनको टिक करता रहता है.
So Gulabo Sitabo is also one of the first films which is getting a digital release after whatever is happening around us. Was it, I mean, when you sort of decided that it's going to get a digital release on Amazon Prime, were you sort of sure about this? Because a lot of filmmakers, directors have also said that they would not want to release their films on a digital platform simply because it kind of ruins the cinematic experience for the viewers. However, there are people who also believe that the motive is just to get the content and the story across to the viewers. What's your take on the entire thing?
Well, it's our decision was made only after the lockdown.
Yeah.
And when we could not release the film, which was supposed to be a theatrical release on 17th of April.
Right.
So when we could not do that, that's when we took this decision of moving on and presenting it to the audience straight on the digital platform and partnering with Amazon Prime Video.
Yeah.
Amazon. So I think it was a conscious decision. It was not a decision made with lots of कि यार करना पड़ रहा है, क्यों कर रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. When we took the decision, we were very proud of this decision, and we are very happy that we have our film is releasing in a digital platform. Yes, some of the people were not happy, and there were some people who don't want to release, as you said, the filmmakers. That's fine, absolutely. It's a very personal choice. लेकिन ऐसे सिचुएशन में जबकि आगे सिनेमा घरों का क्या होगा अभी, एटलीस्ट, और मुझे तो लग रहा है 2 महीना 3 महीना इट वोंट बी हम इस तरह से जा नहीं पाएंगे सिनेमा थिएटर में, जैसा लग रहा है मुझे. तो ऐसे में मुझे लगा कि फिल्म दर्शकों तक पहुंचना चाहिए, और मैं फिल्म के ऊपर बैठना नहीं चाहता हूँ, बैठ के उसको होल्ड नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. तो मैंने फिर इस डिसीजन को लिया, एंड not only me, everybody. I spoke to same thing with Mr. Bachchan. Mr. Bachchan also agreed on this, and he also, उन्होंने भी शायद ट्वीट किया था कि मैं शायद पहला हूँगा जो मेरे जिंदगी का पहला कि मैंने डिजिटल मीडियम में मेरी फिल्म को लाभ आ रही है. So I think ये एक मिल के डिसीजन, सोच के डिसीजन लिया गया है, एंड हम खुश हैं.
Did it also take a lot of convincing for you? Because I'm sure your team has a set number of cast, and then there's the crew who's worked so hard on the film. Did it take a lot of convincing on your part कि हम इस film को digitally release कर रहे हैं? Was it the scene?
Not with too many people. It didn't take too much. Most of them agreed to do it. We just had a few round of discussion extra with Ayushmann. Because this is the last film Ayushmann has shot, and there is no other film that he was on the floor.
Yeah.
So this film will but then finally I spoke to him and I said, let this be the way I want to push this film ahead, take this film ahead. So then he also agreed to us, and we went ahead.
Okay, so like I was telling you before we started the interview that how much I love Piku and October, two of my most favorite films. You've of course worked with an amazing actress like Deepika. Then you've had the chance to work with Varun Dhawan. There's Taapsee Pannu you've worked with in Pink. There's Mr. Bachchan, of course. There's Ayushmann. There's John Ibrahim. Quite a bunch of actors. Okay, so we're going to try and do something fun. If I'm going to ask you a few things, and you can tell me out of all these actors that you worked with, कि इनमें से कौन ऐसा actor है who fits the best in this kind of situation. Okay, for example, the first one would be, out of these actors, who's the most punctual on the sets?
Of course, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, undoubtedly.
Who is the one who improvises a lot during a take?
He is no more. He is Irfan Khan.
Who is the one person who is the best dancer that you worked with?
A best dancer?
Yeah.
I think Ayushmann is a very good dancer. He has not done any dance film, but Ayushmann is a very good dancer.
There was some amount of dance in Vicky Donana in the last song where John also comes.
Yes, yeah. Ayushmann is a very good dancer. Yes.
An actor who plays a lot of pranks on sets.
I think it is Amitabh Bachchan only. He plays a lot of pranks.
Really? Can you tell us something that he did?
No, I'm saying he keeps doing it. He keeps talking. He keeps अपने धीमे आवाज में वो कुछ ना कुछ बोलते रहते ही हैं, कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा कुछ बोलते रहेंगे, पूरा यूनिट जो है वो हंसता रहता है चुपचाप. I can't say those words.
Okay, if you had to describe Ayushmann Khurrana in one word, how would you do that?
He's a spontaneous actor.
And what about Mr. Bachchan? One word for Mr. Bachchan.
So many words I have to speak about Mr. Bachchan. He is a 14-year-old kid.
Why do you say that?
He's always excited, so that's why I say he's always excited like a small boy.
Okay, one word for Gulabo Sitabo.
एकदम शांत होके फुर्सत में बैठे और फुर्सत से टाइम निकाल के देखें. अगर फुर्सत ना हो तो ना देखें.
अच्छा.
और जब फुर्सत हो तभी देखें.
Okay.
और नहीं भी हो तो फुर्सत निकाल के देखें.
Wow, okay. Thank you so much, Sujit sir. I'm really looking forward to Gulabo Sitabo, and thank you so much for connecting, and all the very best.
Thank you so much. I hope Gulabo Sitabo आपको मजा आए.
जी.
आपको थोड़ी सी हंसी दे, थोड़ा सा मुस्कुराहट दे. Thank you so much.